Konnichiwa. This is a normal day here in the park. And there is a peaceful sound of the bird. It was like I want to sleep here for 30 minutes, but I think it's not allowed. So let's go home.